The Dream Team and their special guests welcomes you to the Outdoor Living Space Lookbook for 2021. Let's get started. Having an outdoor living space big enough for a dining or sitting area is a big plus for entertaining. For this collaboration, I will be sharing my sitting area. The 6-piece set gathered around the fireplace provides comfort and plenty of room for my family and guests. With a large fireplace that provides warmth and ambiance is a gorgeous centerpiece for decorating. The mint green cushions is a beautiful neutral color that highlights the black in the sitting area. To bring in more of the black is added on the carpet, lanterns, and the planters. This provides a symmetrical balance in the design. The black and white art going up the brick wall adds to the grandeur of the mantel. The neutral black and white color dominates the space that continues from the wall to the accessories on the chairs and table, giving it a beautiful flow throughout. The design is completed with the spring color of green splashes throughout the area with pillows and boxwood. Hello loves, and welcome to the 2021 Outdoor Living Space Lookbook. Come on in. The Dream Team would like to give special thanks to our guests today. They are Living Luxuriously for Less with Melanie, Karla Mingo, Tameika McPhaul, All Things Shushana, TWINsational Rhonda and Shonda, Shantae from Southern Girl Interiors, Home Decor, DIYs, and more with Tangie, Webb. Please give your appreciation to these lovely and talented ladies in the description box below. You will find all of their information. Check out their channels and tell them Bree sent you. Like what you see? Don't forget to follow me, Bree's Project Book. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you would, please subscribe and click the bell twice and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to search the video library for ideas, tips, and inspiration. And remember, a beautiful and organized home begins one project at a time. See you on the next one. Smooches!